Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 is losing suction, you are not alone. This common issue can arise from a clogged filter or a blockage in the hose or dust canister. If left unaddressed, it can lead to permanent damage to the motor and reduce the overall efficiency of your vacuum. Fortunately, with a little patience, you can resolve this issue yourself. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth to clean any dust. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the release button on the dust canister and press it to detach it from the main body. Next, you will want to inspect the filter. Remove it by twisting it counterclockwise and lifting it out. If the filter appears dirty, rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, and allow it to air dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. Now, check the hose for any blockages. Carefully detach it from the vacuum by loosening the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull the hose out and inspect it for any debris. If you find a blockage, use a flathead screwdriver to carefully dislodge it. Be cautious not to damage the hose. Once the hose is clear, reattach it by securing the screws tightly. Now, let's focus on the dust canister. If it's cracked or damaged, it may need replacing. If that's the case, you can find a replacement online. To fit a new one, simply align it with the main body and push it into place until you hear a click. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling, ensure everything is secure before plugging the device back in. Turn on your Dyson V8 and test its suction power. If everything is functioning correctly, you're all set. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your filters every month and check for blockages in the hose and canister. Keeping your Dyson V8 in good condition will ensure it maintains optimal suction. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.